Come on. Whoa, careful. Even a slow bike is faster than a really fast car.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say.
My name is Wheels on Wheels, and this is my first moto vlog. Hopefully you can hear me all right. This is just a test, just to see how it is, how the video is, just getting used to it all. So yeah, so join me on this ride around the British countryside. It's a lovely day today. Really good day for a ride. So yeah, just a little bit about me. I passed my big bike test, so I got my A license a couple of years ago, and before that I had a CBT for like a year or so. This is my first big bike. This is my Kawasaki ER-6f 2007 in black. I think it's called Diablo Black. Really nice colour, really nice metallic. Yeah, I will be doing more videos on this bike. It's an excellent bike. I really love it. I've done a lot of things to it. You can probably see my other video I've done at the moment, an oil change on it. That was just a nice little instructional video, but I've done other stuff. It's got a Delcovic exhaust, it's got some gold fairing bolts, it's got heated grips, a mount for my phone, quad lock mount, and most importantly I stripped a lot of it down and cleaned a lot of rust off the frame, painted and sort of rust protected it, because that is one thing about these bikes, unfortunately they do rust a little bit. Small price to pay, because they are very good bikes. Same with a lot of Japanese stuff, Japanese cars. So yeah, so I really like this route. It's a really good route. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. Oh, pothole there, just missed it. Yeah, it's an excellent bike. It's a 650cc parallel twin. Stock it doesn't sound amazing, but with this Delcovic exhaust it really opens it up. Beautiful countryside. Already in 6th gear. That is one of my gripes with this bike. I'm going to do another video with sort of like as a review, but yeah, that is one of the things that I do have as a gripe with this bike. It doesn't have a gear indicator. A lot of people say, oh, you shouldn't need one, and yeah, you don't really need one. I have got used to it, to be fair, but the bikes I learned on, which was a Yamaha MT-07 and a Kawasaki Z650, I think, they both had gear indicators, so it's just what you get used to, really. My 125 didn't, but it's just what you get used to, really. Ah, yes, turning right. Fantastic. Come on. There we go. I'll give you guys a little pull. Indicator was still on. There you are. I love this this bit of this route, because this is just stunning. When they've actually got something growing, it's even nicer, but yeah, with these rolling sort of hills, oh, you should probably look where I'm going, these rolling hills here, stunning. So, more about me. I'm a big car guy, so I have a Leon Cooper 280. I've done a video with that as well. It's broken at the minute. That don't matter. I'm not talking about that. But I really love bikes as well. I mean, until recently, I've never really had bikes. I had a moped when I was 16, but yeah, I never really rode much once I sold that, which was about a year and a half after. I then got a car. But do you know what? Bikes are fun. Bikes are great fun. They're so cheap to run. Generally, they're pretty problem-free, especially Japanese bikes. Yeah, just great fun. So easy to maintain and run. Working on them yourself is great. Like, I work on the car a lot. I work on my partner's car. This is it's just fun to work on, really. One great thing about bikes is even a slow bike is faster than a really fast car. Like, my Cupra is a quick car, that is a performance vehicle, and this is, as bikes go, not really the quickest. I believe it's 70 horsepower, something like that, and it's about as quick, to be honest, the acceleration, if not quicker, honestly, especially from the get-go, because the Cupra doesn't really, it struggles with getting grip on the ground. This, you can launch it. So yeah, definitely a quick thing. As I say, I'm going to do a proper review on this bike. I'm going to do a proper review on this bike going forwards, but yeah, I do love it. It's a great bike. There's a lot of good bikes out there. For starters, I truly believe this is one of the best. Oh, can I squeeze through here? I truly believe that this is one of the best first big bikes. It's me trying to rev match. Do you know what? I'm going to go down Sheep Dip Lane. Why not? Yeah, there's a lot of things they don't teach you when you learn to ride, and one of them is, yeah, how fast bikes truly can be. It was truly shocking when I first really opened the taps on that MT-07 that I was learning on. It's truly shocking how quick it was to me. I'm used to the power of this now. I think the MT-07 was quicker, but this seemed really quick as well when I first got it. It seemed really fast. Oh, bike. So yeah, really good fun. I really hope you guys can't hear the road noise too much. The wind noise, I mean. Because yeah, the wind noise on this helmet isn't great. It's HJC C91, so it's a flip-up helmet. Yeah, my one gripe is the wind noise. I don't really have much experience with other helmets, to be honest, but I think other helmets would probably be better. Whoa, careful. But that is one of the worst things about driving, riding, whatever. Just people are what ruin the roads. If there were no cars here right now, or well, people driving them, then this would be a fun experience. Well, it is a fun experience anyway, but yeah, it would be even more fun if people weren't driving, because they are a danger. I can open it up a little bit here. Not too much, don't want to break the speed limit. Well, I'm gonna pull in here actually, and yeah, call that the end of the vlog. So this is just an initial first vlog really of my motor vlogging. So I'm going to do a few more, as I say. But yeah, there's the bike anyway from the outside. If you can see that. Hopefully this is recording. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this, please leave a like down below. It really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it really helps me out. And stay tuned for the next one. Cheers guys.